Hi, my name's Ryan. I'm with A Plus Garage Doors. I had Rainmakers take over our internet marketing. They've done a fantastic job. They've been able to get us moved up quickly on the first page of Google using several unique things, YouTube videos, website optimization. Before we had a company that was doing our internet. We've used them for about 5 years, and we didn't get very good customer service. They were slow to act and weren't very effective. So since we've had Rainmakers take over, they've got the job done very quickly, efficiently, and definitely would recommend this company to anyone. I'm very happy with the results.